and bookmarks. What are they? Let's see. Bookmarks are navigation options in Power BI desktop, mainly to navigate from one page to another page within a report. What is it? Page to page easy navigations. We make use of these bookmarks. Let's launch Power BI. Get data CSV or Excel. Any source is okay. Open the given CSV file source. Click load. Click load. Let's see. Once the data is loaded, next. You see company, country, month, sale 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to the notes. We need to create 4 pages. 3 pages, one for each country plus a master page. Okay, 4 pages, 3 pages, one for each country. Plus we need to create one master page. This page should contain links to other pages for easy navigation. Such master page is called a scorecard. India page. Rename first page to India. Rename first page to India. This one. India page. Select table visual. Include all fields from the imported source. Select table visual. Next. Country, company, month, sale 1, 2, 3 like this. Go to grid, options, font size. Okay, font size in this way. Next, remap or any visual, month and sales. Remap, month and sale. Go to format, data label on, give data label and also category label. Okay, like this. Leave some space at the bottom right side for navigation buttons. You would like to filter this only for India. So what we do? Filter on this page, country, India. Okay, this becomes India page. Right click, duplicate. I'll say Germany page. See here, drop down, Germany. Same way, right click, duplicate, USA page. Drop down, United States like this. So we have India page, Germany page, USA page. Next, 3 different pages. Now for each page, this is important. For each page, we need to define bookmarks. For easy navigation, go to view on top. Bookmark, add bookmark. This is India bookmark. Germany, add Germany bookmark. Same way, here we go, USA, add. This is USA bookmark. Okay, India, Germany, USA. Give the bookmarks like this. Next, from here, let's create a master page. As per our requirement, I'll create a master page. In the master page, I will take few visualizations. For example, funnel, country-wise sales. Or for example, a stack bar, country-wise, month-wise sales, like this. Next, for example, one more in this way, pie chart. Additionally, I will insert, see here, insert image. I'll take this one. I'll remove this one. Let's image. Let's insert image. Go to action. Okay, see here, this is image. Next, in the image, we see image properties and this one, image style and properties. Go to image, upload image, browse. I'll give India image. When someone select India image, it should take them to a bookmark called India bookmark we created few minutes back. I repeat, image. Go to image tab, style, browse. I shall include these images for your practice in the class notes. Next, action on image. Now action. Which action? Someone click on Germany, it should take them to a bookmark called Germany bookmark. Same way, insert image, style image, upload USA image. Go down to action, USA image. Next, let's test it. What we did, we got total 4 pages. First 3 pages have their own filters. 4th page, no filter, 3 buttons and few visualizations. Now, control click USA, it will go to USA page. Control click Germany, control click, use control key on your keyboard plus click Germany page. Control click India page, like this. Once we get this content ready, next step, how to navigate from these first 3 pages to master. For that, I will take a back button. Any button is okay. Insert button, back button. Let's put the button like this. Go to button. Sorry, go to format. Go to format, general, effects. We can give a background for the button, optional. It's optional. Next, what's our requirement? Someone click on this button, it should take them to master. So go to master first, add bookmark. Go to master, add bookmark. For example, master bookmark. Back to India page. Select the button, action, bookmark, master bookmark. Next, go to Germany. See here, Germany bookmark. Or go to USA, copy paste. Let's verify it. Control click, it will take them to master. Control click India, you go to India page. Control click like this, it will take you to master in this way. Observe carefully. So we are learning here within a report how to navigate from one page to another page through images or through buttons. In real world, this very important, very common feature we use for production environments. For easy navigations, easy end user navigations, we need this concept. We'll practice this short session, short concept carefully today. And as usual, you have assignment. To understand the questions, work on the assignment. Of course, you need to practice it multiple times cautiously, please. Give a try submitting the assignments on time for best results.